What's up, buds? It's Fly High, and I want to talk about charging today because I got new chargers in the store. I'm now a HOTA dealer. I got the HOTA F6. This is a four batteries individually balanced at the same time. Four-way charger, 1,000 watts. That's 250 watts per lane, 15 amps on each battery, which is a lot of power. This is my new go-to in the backpack everyday charger. And then I've got this as the famous D6 Pro. The D6 Pro is just a beast as well. This one has a built-in AC power supply, so this is the one you want to leave at home. It's got the wireless charging on top, and it'll take up to 650 watts DC if you want to carry this beast in the field. It's just a little heavier because it's got the built-in AC power supply. For this is designed to be as light as possible and go with a battery pack like the Stay High field charging pack. So with this big battery and this charger, you can charge like 12 and a half of these, or like if you got a 6S 1000 mAh, you can charge like 15 of those off of this battery. And charge them quick because you can do them pretty much as fast as you're willing to push into there. I mean, 15 amps into this battery is way faster than I would be charging. I usually charge at 1C at home and 2C at the track if I'm in a hurry. But this is going to make it so much easier being able to charge 4 batteries at once. It's also got a bunch of USB ports down here. I'm getting full high-speed charging on my cell phone with this port and this port. This is the power delivery type C port. So it is also going to allow you to charge your GoPro or your Action 2 or what other cameras you're carrying. It's got servo testing and shit too, but nobody ever uses that crap. This thing is a charging beast. 4 lanes right in it, and takes the power right there in the back. Of course, you can set up standby and low power mode so that it won't over discharge your main battery here. This one will go down all the way down to 16 volts, so you can just go in here, set you a little limit. There it is, 16 volts, and that way it won't over discharge my pack. Pretty great little charger here. Let me just show you how she goes. So, 15 amps. That's a little bit much. I usually charge at 1C at home, so we're going to go 1.3. 1.3. And start it. And I like this. You can go in and get all the details on each battery. It takes it a moment after it starts charging, but it'll read the internal resistance there as well. Great little setup. And then we can go down to the next one, start charging that too. Same settings. Yeah, nice and easy and quick, so you don't have to go through and set a bunch of crap each time. But I like to always be able to just go in and check, make sure that all my cells are nice and lined up, and then I'll get all the way back around to 1. See if number 1's showing me. Yeah, there's the resistance on this battery. So I got a cell that I need to keep an eye on right there. Nice and low, and nice and low, and nice and low, and then 2 cells that I beat up a little bit. Anyway, if you need these, hit me up, flyhighfpv.com. I've got the F6 4-way charger on the site. I got the Fly High Green Edition, D6 Pro, and I got the Stay High packs. And if you buy one of these chargers, there are combo deals on the site where you can grab a Stay High pack at the same time and save a little bit of money on the pair. I really think this is going to be the setup for me. I had been relying on Toolkit RC for a long time, and I think they make good stuff, but the biggest issue I've had with them is just not being able to get the things that they say that they're going to deliver on. They've been promising me a 4-way 6S charger for 2 years, and I got one right here in my hands, and making them available for y'all too. Hit me up, flyhighfpv.com.